Next is AWHCL. This has already run up significantly. Don't think it's a very good idea for a fresh entry at this stage. I would want to wait for some kind of pullback, and this would be a very good potential entry zone. Even though the volume pickup is good, but still, if you look at the previous uptrend that unfolded, there were instances where the stock gave a massive rally, but after that, there was big corrections. Big rally, 40-41%, big correction, around 10-12%, 50% rally, 20% correction, 36% rally, 25% correction. I would expect a 20-25% correction to bring the stock back to its entry level. 605 is where you should use your entry. Volume continues to be really strong, and as per this trajectory, there is surely a trend line here. So 938 is the target that you should look for. Fresh entry is not recommended. This is the missed train, and you know what happens when you chase running trains. You fall and you get hurt. You don't want to do that. Barring this support zone, you should set your stop loss at the level of 600. So that is still a pretty big stop loss, but you have a good upside to work with.